In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own sizing system file. Okay, so I'm just going to run through the last ID wizard just to show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here we have our sizing file. So I have my standard, so if it's UK standard, Euro, or US. I then have my sizing group, so men's, women's, kids, and then I have the actual size as well. So if I want to create my own file, maybe it has different sizing ranges to these, I can do that. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to locate the CSV file. So generally this is saved in Program Files, Delcam, ShoeMaker, File, Shoe, Treatment, and then we have these three files. So I have here the Euro, the UK, and the US. So I'm just going to right click on this. I'm going to say Edit with Notepad just to open this up. We can see exactly what we've got. Okay, so I have all of my size groups. So I have my infant, children's, girls, boys, men's, women's, and so on. I then have the end of the size group. I have the size start, so this is my smallest size and my largest size. And then I have size end at the end of that. Okay, so for my smallest size I have size 13, and you can see this at the start. And then my largest size overall is 48, and you can see this at the end here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close this down. I'm then going to make a copy of this Euro one, so I'm going to copy and then paste. And then I'm going to use this as a template for creating my own file. Okay, so we can see a copy here. I'm just going to rename it. I'm just going to give it a name of my standard. So this is going to be my own generated standard sizing file. Okay, so again I'm going to right click and I'm going to say Edit with Notepad. Okay, so as I scroll down we can see it's exactly the same as it was before, so I'm just going to actually remove infant, children, girl and boys, and I'm just going to work with men's and women's. Okay, so in my women's sizes I actually want to work from a smaller size, so I'm going to have a size 33. And in my men's I want two extra sizes, so I'm going to have 49 and 50. Okay, so then I need to get rid of the start sizes, so all of the smallest sizes all the way up to 33, I'm just going to remove all of those. I am then going to copy and paste this last 48. So I'm going to say copy, paste once, and then paste again. I'm then going to change 48 to 49, so this is going to be 49, and then this one is going to be 50. Okay, so there is the size end. I'm going to then save this, I'm going to close it. I'm then going to go back to ShoeMaker, I'm going to close ShoeMaker. I'm going to reopen ShoeMaker, and I am then going to just pull in a random last, and then I'm going to go back through the last ID wizard. So now when I go back through, I will have my new standard. So I've got my standard there in the standard groups. I've got my different size groups, so as you remember I deleted all the kids ones, so I've just got men's and women's. I've then got my smallest women's size, and then if I go back to men, you can see I've now got 49 and 50 added in there as well. Okay, so I'm just going to close this now.